Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheena. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write calligraphy numbers. I will show you 3 different ways in which you can write these numbers. So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, please focus on the strokes and the order of the strokes in which I am writing. I have made some practice sheets for you guys. If you want to download the sheets, you can download it from the link given below in the description box. Guys, if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comment section below. I will get back to you with all the answers. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please feel free to share your feedback. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video and click that bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.